First, you're going to want to log into vac.ucsd.edu with your student credentials. Then on the left side, you'll see a tab that says Ask a Question. Once you select the Ask a Question tab, you'll want to enter in the topic or a topic that resembles the theme of your question. Then you're also going to want to select who to direct your question to. If it's in relation to GE, university requirements, or you don't know exactly where to go, please select Thurgood Marshall College. However, if it is in relation to your major requirements, you're going to want to select your specific major department. Then you're going to want to type in your question. In this example, we have a student asking if this course meets their breadth requirement. After you have submitted your question, it actually gets sent to us, the Marshall College advising staff, where we answer those questions directly. Usually we can turn around questions in about 24 to 48 business hours, but sometimes it might take longer if it is a longer question where we have to contact other departments. When logging into marshall.ucsd.edu, you would click on the Academics tab at the top and then the Academic Advising tab below. Once you log in, you will see our academic advising services at Marshall College, how to contact us through the VAC, how to meet with us for our office hours or our short-term 15-minute appointments, as well as our 30-minute long-term appointments for long-term academic planning services. Also on the webpage, you'll find resources on department advisors, a flowchart on how to figure out which appointment you most need, as well as how to understand your degree audit. But also there's more information on transfer agreements, GE requirements at Marshall College, as well as exploring resources. This web page is super important, houses everything that you need and how you can find and contact us, really underutilized resource. After accessing your degree audit through my Triton link, please scroll down on your personalized degree audit till you get to the Thurgood Marshall College General Education section. Then you will want to select a GE you would like to complete. In this example, we're using the Fine Arts GE. Underneath the title of the Fine Arts GE, you will see how many courses it will take to fulfill this specific GE. One course for the Fine Arts GE. Then underneath that, you'll see a list of courses with the title and their number. Those are all the courses that you can take to fulfill this one requirement. You would just need one course on that list to fulfill the Fine Arts GE. As an extra example, you can see this is the Humanities and Cultural Studies GE. You will need two courses to fulfill this requirement, and you can select any two courses from that courses list.